Imagine standing before a roaring cascade of water, where legends, rainbows, and raw power collide. From mystical hidden treasures to thundering forces of nature, these are Iceland's top 5 waterfalls that will leave you spellbound. Gullfoss, Golden Falls. One of Iceland's most iconic waterfalls, Gullfoss is located in the Golden Circle. This two-tiered cascade flows powerfully into a rugged canyon, creating dramatic mist and rainbows on sunny days. It's a symbol of Icelandic natural beauty and history. Seljalandsfoss. Famous for its unique accessibility, Seljalandsfoss allows visitors to walk behind its cascading sheet of water for an unforgettable view. Located along the south coast, it's a popular spot for photography, particularly at sunset. Gullfoss. Also on the south coast, Gullfoss is a breathtaking 60-meter waterfall with a wide, powerful curtain of water. Legends speak of hidden treasure behind the falls, and the rainbows often seen in the mist add to its magical aura. Dettifoss, known as Europe's most powerful waterfall, Dettifoss is a force of nature in the Vatnajökull National Park in North Iceland. Its sheer magnitude and the thundering roar of water leave visitors in awe. Godafoss, Waterfall of the Gods. Steeped in history, Godafoss is where Iceland's conversion to Christianity is said to have been symbolically marked, with pagan idols thrown into the water. This horseshoe-shaped waterfall in North Iceland is as mesmerizing as its story. Each of these waterfalls showcases the raw, untamed beauty of Iceland, making them must-visits for travelers seeking awe-inspiring natural wonders. And before you go, make sure to check out our video on the Fagradalsfjall volcano eruption in Iceland. Another awe-inspiring wonder you don't want to miss.